Hello fellow food lovers, and welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered. Whether you're a passionate traveler, a foodie on a culinary quest, or simply curious about the world's incredible flavors, you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Asia, diving into some of the oldest and most authentic dishes that have been perfected over centuries. Asia is home to some of the world's oldest culinary traditions, where flavors, cooking techniques, and recipes have been passed down through generations. From ancient empires to bustling modern cities, these dishes tell the story of Asia's rich culture and history. Join us as we explore these incredible meals and discover the fascinating stories behind them. From ancient Chinese dumplings to the delicate soups of Japan, Asia's culinary heritage is as diverse as the continent itself. So, grab your chopsticks and let's begin this epic food adventure. 1. China, the timeless flavors of dumplings, Peking duck, and dim sum. China's food history stretches back thousands of years, and its culinary traditions have influenced the entire world. From the emperor's lavish feasts to humble street food, China has perfected the art of cooking. Let's explore some of the oldest and most iconic Chinese dishes. Dumplings, a symbol of good luck. Dumplings, or jiaozi, are an essential part of Chinese culture, especially during the Lunar New Year. The tradition of making dumplings dates back to the Eastern Han Dynasty, 25 to 228. These little parcels of joy, made with minced meat and vegetables wrapped in dough, are often boiled, steamed, or fried. The shape of the dumpling resembles ancient Chinese gold ingots, symbolizing wealth and good fortune. They're usually filled with pork, beef, or shrimp, and served with soy sauce and vinegar. If you're in Beijing, don't miss the chance to visit a local dumpling house, where you'll see chefs expertly folding dumplings by hand. In the northern regions of China, particularly during winter, dumplings are a staple food and are often served in large gatherings. Peking duck, an ancient imperial feast. Peking duck is a dish with a history that goes back to the imperial kitchens of the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. The duck is roasted to perfection, producing crispy skin and tender meat, and is traditionally served with thin pancakes, hoisin sauce, and scallions. This dish was once reserved for the emperor's court, but today it is enjoyed by people all over the world. The process of making Peking duck is an art form. The duck is inflated with air to separate the skin from the meat, then coated with maltose syrup and roasted until the skin is golden and crispy. The dish is often carved tableside and served in the traditional manner. In Beijing, you'll find some of the best Peking duck at famous restaurants like Quanjude and Dadong, where the dish is served with a flair that brings the tradition to life. Dim sum, a cultural tradition. Dim sum, originating in Cantonese-speaking regions, has been a part of Chinese cuisine for centuries. The term dim sum means to touch the heart, which perfectly encapsulates the dish's purpose: to provide small, delicate portions that delight the senses. Dim sum is believed to have originated during the Southern Song, Dynasty 962-1279 AD, when merchants would stop for tea and small snacks during their travels along the Silk Road. Dim sum includes a wide variety of bite-sized dishes, including dumplings, buns, rolls, and cakes, all served in small bamboo steamers. Popular options include shrimp, dumplings, hargao, BBQ, pork buns, char, siu bo, and steamed egg tarts. Dim sum is typically served as part of a communal meal, and the tradition of yum cha drinking tea accompanies it. In Hong Kong, dim sum is enjoyed daily, especially in the morning and afternoon. And in cities like Guangzhou, you'll find street-side stalls serving up the freshest dim sum, too. Japan, the legacy of sushi, ramen, and kizeki. Japan's culinary heritage is deeply tied to its cultural values of simplicity, seasonality, and presentation. The country's traditional dishes have stood the test of time, evolving over centuries while retaining their essence. Let's take a closer look at some of Japan's most iconic and oldest dishes. Sushi, a century-old tradition. Sushi, the delicate dish of vinegared rice, combined with fresh fish, has its origins in ancient Japan. Sushi, as we know it today, began to take shape during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868. The original version of sushi, called narazushi, was made with fermented fish, and the rice was used to preserve the fish rather than to be eaten. Over time, this evolved into nigiri sushi, where fresh fish is placed atop a ball of rice. Modern sushi is an art, and its preparation has been refined to perfection. Sushi chefs spend years mastering the techniques, from selecting the freshest fish to preparing the perfect rice. If you're in Tokyo, make sure to visit Sukiyabashi Jiro, a world-renowned sushi restaurant, to experience sushi as it was meant to be: simple, pure, and delicious. Ramen, a dish of comfort and history. Ramen, Japan's favorite noodle soup, is believed to have been introduced to Japan in the late 19th century from China. The first ramen shops began popping up in Yokohama in the early 1900s. Over time, Japan made ramen its own, creating different regional variations. The classic ramen broth is made from either pork bone tonkotsu soy sauce shoyu, miso, or salt shoyu, and the dish is topped with ramen noodles, boiled eggs, bamboo shoots, and sliced pork belly. Regional variations such as Hakata ramen from Fukuoka and Sapporo ramen from Hokkaido reflect the local ingredients and flavors of each area. A trip to Japan wouldn't be complete without slurping down a bowl of piping hot ramen from a local shop. Kizeki, a multi-course meal of Japanese elegance. Kizeki, the traditional multi-course meal, represents the epitome of Japanese fine dining. Originating from the tea ceremonies of the 16th century, Kizeki focuses on seasonality, balance, and aesthetics. It is composed of small, carefully curated dishes that showcase the freshest ingredients of the season. The meal typically includes several courses such as soup, sashimi, grilled fish, and pickles, along with a rice course and a dessert. Each dish is meticulously prepared and presented to highlight its natural beauty and taste. Kizeki dining is most commonly experienced at high-end ryokan Japanese inns or restaurants in Kyoto, where the tradition has been perfected over centuries. 3. Thailand. The timeless delights of pad thai, tom yum, and green curry. Thai cuisine is an exquisite balance of flavors: spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. The country's culinary roots stretch back to the Sukhothai kingdom in the 13th century, and the dishes that have stood the test of time are still as beloved today as they were centuries ago. Pad Thai, a national treasure. Pad Thai, one of Thailand's most iconic dishes, is a stir-fried noodle dish made with rice noodles, shrimp or chicken, eggs, tofu, peanuts, and lime. This dish is believed to have been created in the 1930s by the Thai government as part of a nationalist campaign to promote Thai identity, but its roots trace back to earlier Chinese influences. Pad Thai is commonly served as street food throughout Thailand, and it has become a global favorite for its balance of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors. Don't miss the chance to try it in Bangkok, where the dish is a staple of street food culture. Tom Yum, the spicy soup of Thailand. Tom Yum is a hot and sour Thai soup made with shrimp, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and chili. This dish has ancient origins in Thailand, and its bold flavors have made it one of the country's most famous soups. The soup's tangy broth is balanced by the sweetness of the shrimp, making it the perfect appetizer or main dish. Whether you're in Chiang Mai or Bangkok, a bowl of Tom Yum is a must-try experience that embodies the heart of Thai cuisine. Green curry, a rich and aromatic delight. Green curry is one of the most famous Thai curries, made with green chili, coconut milk, fish sauce, and herbs. The dish is said to have originated in central Thailand and is known for its complex aromatic flavor profile. The curry can be made with a variety of proteins, such as chicken, beef, or fish, and is often served with rice. This dish is a reflection of the central Thai region's culinary expertise, where spices are used to create a balance of heat and sweetness. If you're in Bangkok or Chiang Mai, seek out a local restaurant that serves traditional green curry to get a taste of this beloved dish. For India, the ancient flavors of biryani, butter, chicken, and masala dosa. Indian cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, spices, and techniques that have evolved over millennia. The country's culinary heritage stretches back to the Indus Valley Civilization around 2500 BCE, and the dishes we know today are deeply rooted in ancient traditions. Biryani, a royal feast of spices and rice. Biryani, a fragrant rice dish layered with meat, spices, and herbs, is a regal dish with roots in Persian and Mughal culinary traditions. The dish is believed to have been brought to India by Persian traders, and it became a favorite of Mughal emperors. Over time, regional variations of biryani emerged, each with its own distinct spices and cooking methods. Whether it's the rich and spicy Hyderabadi biryani or the milder Lucknowi biryani, each version tells the story of India's diverse culinary culture. Butter chicken, a Mughlai legacy. Butter chicken, or murg makhani, is a beloved dish that originated in Delhi during the 1950s. It is said to have been created by the chefs at the Moti Mahal restaurant, who invented the dish by accident when they mixed leftover tandoori chicken with a creamy tomato-based sauce. The result was a rich, flavorful dish that became a hit across India and beyond. Today, butter chicken is served in Indian restaurants worldwide where it's enjoyed with naan or rice. Masala dosa, a South Indian staple. Masala dosa, a crispy rice crepe filled with spiced potatoes, is a classic South Indian breakfast dish with roots in the Tamil Nadu region. The dosa itself is a fermented rice and lentil batter that is griddled to a crispy golden brown, then stuffed with a mixture of potatoes, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and turmeric. Masala dosa is traditionally served with coconut, chutney, and sambar, a spicy lentil soup, making it a flavorful and satisfying dish to start your day. A journey of flavors through Asia. As we've seen, Asia's culinary traditions are rich, diverse, and steeped in history. The dishes we've explored today, from China's dumplings and Peking duck to India's biryani and Japan's sushi, are not just meals but stories of culture, tradition, and craftsmanship. No matter where you go in Asia, there's always a dish to discover, a flavor to savor, and a tradition to honor. The next time you find yourself in one of these incredible countries, don't just eat, immerse yourself in the history behind the food and enjoy every bite. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through Asia. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more delicious food adventures from around the world. Share your favorite Asian dish in the comments below and let us know where we should travel to next. Happy eating!